You need to watch this if you struggle with garden creativity. Bonsai is here to bring a touch of magic. First up, it's classic, elegant, and the perfect starter for any bonsai enthusiast. Think of it as the bonsai's version of a tuxedo. Next, we have a little more playful. It's got curves and character. Imagine a tree dancing in the wind, feeling dramatic. The is what you need. It leans to one side, like it's reaching out to tell a story. For those who love a bit of chaos, the style is a waterfall of foliage. It's wild, it's bold, and it's breathtaking. Last but not least, we've got the multiple trees, one pot. It's like having a mini woodland right in your backyard. So which bonsai style speaks to you? Tell us in the comments and start your bonsai journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more bonsai magic. Happy gardening!